Where is it? What's that? Yeah, I see. What's that? What do you think is this?
Something under there, snake or something big.
Oh my god, look at that. It's making a... You went there. And the fish disappeared. Where are they? Underneath. Must be underneath. Yeah. It looks like a fish. They look like a fish to me.
There's fish right there, a little one. Excuse me. That's a healthy duck.
Yes, it is. I can see.
He's looking for fish to eat too.
Oh, there you go. I'll see my camera.
Maybe you can see better in the water with my glasses.
Yeah, see? Yeah, you can see, but it's far. It's like, yeah, you can see underneath though, yeah. But you cannot see. It's like it's pain. Cool. We don't have it there, so in the Philippines, so
Of what?
it's kinda a maze for me. See like this.
I'm sure some places they do. In the Philippines, you've only been around Cebu a little bit.
You're right, but there's no people.
Oh.
No houses.
Well, you're right. So here you have a lot of space in between houses.
It's there. Look at that little thing.
There's something swimming.
Somebody must be. They're running away from somebody. Somebody. Oh, that's good. Yeah, I know it. Wow.
Big fish chasing a little fish.
Yeah, that's cute. And then, wow. Yay. I never saw one. Wow. Look, they have a lot of fish there. Ah, a turtle.
Yeah, see two turtles.
Ah, they're fighting.
There's two of them.
They're fighting.
Maybe they're looking. Yeah, they're fighting too.
Ah,
Maybe they're looking for fish.
it's funny. Wow, it's so cool. Wow, they have a lot of fish back there.
A lot of what?
Fish over there.
Oh, all right. Yeah, I see that. Yeah,
Here.
they're a little big. They're a little bit bigger.
Yeah. See, you should come here.
I see them.
Where's that turtle? I
He's
disappeared.
under here somewhere. Yeah, the fish thing's right there.
Yeah, I see. And they're nice looking. They're not like looking tilapia.
Still teeny.
Yeah, I'm sure there's some big here.
No, I'm sure.
They don't have crawfish here.
Crawfish?
Yeah.
I'm sure they do. Crawfish are just about everywhere.
Oh, it's amazing. In my country, when people see that there's fish swimming around, they would put poison in it right away.
That's crazy. That's crazy. It should be against the law. It probably is against the law. It's over there too, but people do it anyway.
Yeah. It's a big one. It's a big turtle. It was here.
Oh, there's a big one sitting right over there.
Yeah. Yeah, it's still there.
You go out and get some heat from the sun. They're cold-blooded.
They're cold-blooded?
Yes. Come out in the daytime to get. Come out in the daytime to get their
They get cold too?
sun. Yeah, I'm gonna get my glasses over
Oh yeah,
here.
here.
You're not using them.
Sorry, I forgot.
It's all right.
Sorry, my love. They would eat turtle too.
Here.
Yeah. They're amazing. I'm just wondering what's in there. Can you walk in there? No?
No, you can't take a boat back there. You can't. How are you gonna walk back there?
There's water there too?
This is whole area is covered with water.
Okay.
You know what I mean? It's like this.
It's amazing. And the trees is growing.
Hmm?
The tree is growing from
Some
the
of them,
water.
yeah. These are water trees that grow in water. You know?
The turtle is not moving.
Now that turtle's still staying still over there. Maybe there's another place to walk.
Yeah.
People come with binoculars because they look for